In front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings and click on backup and reset. Here, click on erase all data and you will find here the second tab, which is reset system settings only. So if you want to perform this operation, smoothly mark it and confirm by tapping on the red icon. And just confirm that you are sure that you want to continue, as this reset will not be undone. And as you can see, settings have been restored to default values, and now you can set everything from scratch. So I will start with changing the brightness, and then you can change everything. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.